on the way. This is how many times is this, Brad?
I don't know how many times we've tried.
This is like
this will be the fourth. This will be the
third race and like the 18th attempt at racing the Trackhawk. And we got the car back here on the trailer. It's a street car, but we have a trailer, so fuck it, why not, right? So
we got it on the trailer tune.
We got it on the trailer tune, exactly. Hi. You really running?
Yeah, you're gonna give me 2 cars.
You running first. Well, no, I gotta set my shit up. I'm gonna plug it back up. All right. Do you think this is enough battery? Hey, go ahead and plug it back up, because he gonna run him first.
Hey, Clint. Yeah. How much y'all running for?
$300-400.
$400. Okay.
I'll give you this money.
I use the man hands. You're good. You gonna go warm it up? Okay. Huh.
All right, let's say, give me 2 cars in the hit. You keep a bottle in there. We go nitrous for nitrous.
I don't want a bottle in there. Can't run it with the bottle in there. I'm gonna take the bottle out. I'm gonna run you.
Car and a half in the hit. Who? Car and a half in the hit. I mean, you give me car and a half, I take off. You gotta take it in.
So, you gonna blow your horn when you're ready?
No, he gonna stay up at the light. He gonna walk off. Like he'll walk towards the cars. Okay. Whenever he walks off, I can leave anytime I want to. You gotta chase me now. There's 74.
All right.
We're running the 8.
God, the car's so fucking loud.
Yeah, car and a half, Brad. We don't get you.
Gosh, I love the way you trim.
I should probably not have put my hand right there.
No, not what you did. Not what you did.
That was really bad timing. Mods and Muscle TV! Yeah. I always forget. I always forget to do it.
The nitrous bottle wasn't fucking open.
God.
Hey, let me run it back again. The nitrous bottle wasn't open. You gonna let me run it back? I mean, I would do you that like that. I mean, it's a fair race. I mean, all right, I'll put that 200. We run it back. I win the full amount. All right, 200 for the 400?
No, you gotta put up another 400 to get that race back. I ain't responsible for no nitrous. That's on you.
Well, you right for 200? That's what I got. Right for 200.
Let's get Brad out. You got the Brad. Get yourself together.
All right, that's fine.
I'm ready.
Okay, we're the same race. All right, go ahead. Hey, man, shit happens.
Right here, I'm standing up. got plenty of money. Let's go.
What you think?
Do what?
I think he was out front.
He was out front. Yeah, that's why I was screaming.
Fuck.
Man, got it.
It's my turn now.
Woo!
What they call it?
Woo!
Hell yeah.
Yes, sir! Woo! Where that fucking GoPro at? Yeah!
We just took $3 grand? Yeah. What you want to do? Where's your car? Getting a new load. God damn! Seriously? Yeah. The one you just was in? Yeah. What the fuck? Yeah. It won't be long though.
Hey, be back. Don't get that all right now.
I got you.
You know, we'll keep running the ball. It don't make no difference. You know, I ain't gonna, man, you call, we just like the race. You call us the ball when you ready. I just want, I knew the right lane gonna be on, left lane gonna be fucked up when people try to make it work. They just switch lanes, just run it back, you know. Tomorrow we'll come back, we'll do the same thing, won't we? He's not worried about the lane, he's just worried about braking shit. No, I'm talking about us. Oh. See, the right left lane, we don't want no crap, you know what I mean?
Shake it, motherfuckers.
They running, they don't want to race back.
Oh, man.
No, we'll run it back. We're
Y'all gonna run it back?
Not tonight. We're gonna run it back though.
Why not tonight?
Because the car's fucking up, bro. He needs to
Man,
change
I don't wanna hear that shit.
Bro, he's gotta change his plugs,
Why I
bro.
wanna hear
He gotta change his plugs, bro. Oh, you gonna do it tonight? Okay. All right.
Unless y'all want to do anything.
I'm right here. I know what's up right here.
My car works.
I need his.
Fuck it. Run it back. Hey, you gonna get your race?
Now turn the percentage and leave it like it was. Why not? Nah, just leave it like it was.
That's we can run the 5
You
tomorrow.
left that time and I was like, what the fuck? Was Blake driving Brad's car?
Barry, you ain't shit. Barry, you ain't shit. Tyler, love you, bro.
See, dude. You win some, you lose some. That's how shit goes.